So this is vertical. Now I've been testing the waters, and some people actually prefer vertical videos on IGTV. However, some people like horizontal. So can you let me know what you prefer? Leave a comment in the box, vertical or horizontal. I want to make sure that I'm making videos in the way that you actually want to see them. Speaking of vertical versus horizontal videos, I've been getting asked quite a bit, Jasmine, how are you going to use IGTV for your business? Well, before I actually answer that, I should probably differentiate Instagram stories and IGTV. So here's the basics of how they're different. So number one, IGTV has long form videos. Now Instagram has quantified a long form video anything more than 15 seconds up to an hour. But in my opinion, if you have a video that's less than 60 seconds, you should probably post it to your Instagram feed. So for the intents of this conversation, let's just say a long form video is more than 60 seconds and under an hour. That is what you can post on IGTV. Number two is that Instagram stories disappear after 24 hours. IGTV is your own channel. It stays there for perpetuity. Number three, it's part of the Instagram app, but a separate part. I like to say it's like an app within an app. So how do you access IGTV? Well, you can locate it with the orange icon in the upper right-hand corner. You simply click on that and it'll take you to all the channels from people you follow. So people are asking me how I'm gonna use IGTV for my business, but I'm gonna be honest. It ain't about me. And quite honestly, it ain't about you. I'm viewing IGTV as a way to connect where my followers want to connect. I want to be where they want to watch the videos. I want to find ways to connect with them in a real way, and I also want to personalize that experience. So it's not a matter of let me pontificate whether it's a good fit. Hey, I'm going to create content where my audience is. Up until recently, I haven't been able to share videos more than 60 seconds on Instagram. And it's really kind of hard because I actually regularly create videos, but people, when they're in the Instagram app, they don't really want to click away from being in Instagram. So me asking them, hey guys, go view this video on Facebook or go view this video on YouTube, it just really wasn't happening for me. IGTV changes that game entirely. So here's the best part. Instagram gave us the opportunity to connect with our followers where they prefer. So now we can create one piece of content and share them on different platforms at different times to connect with people in different places. Yes, and amen, for real. Personally, I think IGTV is going to be slower moving than Instagram stories. Why? Because it takes people a while to actually adopt something new. And number two, people have a hard time finding value in taking time to create extra videos as part of their business. And number three, creating videos is actually time consuming, a little bit hard, and costs some money. So all of those things are barriers to entry to actually people creating content for IGTV. And for all of those reasons is why precisely I want to be there. Why? I want to go where I can get the most attention, where there's the least competition, and get the greatest return on my investment. Sure, it takes me a while to create these videos, but guess what? Now I have a new platform to share where people are like, what's going on? Not a lot of people are making these videos. That's where I want to show up. That was cheesy, I don't even care. So if you've been following this channel for a while, I've been testing different formats specifically for IGTV. Now, when it first came out, I was so excited that I just rushed to post out a video. And it was a horizontal video, but in IGTV, it will automatically make a horizontal video and then zoom in so that it's vertical. So I did that, I received a little bit of backlash, but we fixed it. So then what I did after kind of making a mistake, I can own it, I started posting a horizontal video that zoomed in, but you could still see me comprised in the entirety of the vertical frame. Then I tested adding borders to a horizontal video, adding the border so that it became vertical. I'm still testing to see what my audience wants, but what I do know is I don't think that I'm gonna be uploading horizontal videos and making people turn their cameras. Why? I have no emotional sentimentality about the decision. Studies have shown people do not flip their phones to watch videos, they simply swipe on by. This actually started, the study was actually done by way of people viewing videos on Snapchat. And then when Instagram stories came out, the studies proved to be true. People aren't flipping their phone, they're really just kind of like swiping past because they're just not gonna spend time to flip. My decision now is, and if you can help me out, like hook a sister up. Do you wanna see them vertical or do you mind the borders? Let me know, leave a comment, and I wish you all the best as you start using IGTV to grow your business.